So in your computer keyboards, you must either open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, and after that you must go to your keyboard, and you can see this is the number lock key. You must press the number lock key. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see this is the alt key on the left side of our keyboard. You must press this alt key. You must press and hold this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 252. So after typing that, you can simply release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that this symbol have been arrived. So the keyboard shortcut for to the power n is alt 252. For example, suppose if you simply I'm going to type here simply type 3, then after that I'm going to turn on the number lock. One of my finger is in alt key, and I'm going to press 252, and after that I'm going to release my finger from this alt key. The symbol appear like this. For more videos like this, you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.